Okay, cameras are rolling. Mag checks.
Dairy House Farm traffic, Golf India India rolling on 30.
Is rolling a technical term?
Nah, it is for me. You'll be able to see them backtracking out your side now.
Not quite, I can't see that end of the field yet. Yeah, now I can see him.
Golf India India, switching to 129835.
So what are we at now? 1007. That should take us nicely above the danger zone. We're crossing at 1300.
Looks very short.
It's 500 metres, same as ours.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's get all of that on. Lost the strip. Oh, there the strip is.
There's some very big houses right there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the trees at the end of
Airfield
27
close
are a bit of a
ahead,
bitch.
400 feet below.
And they are.
They look like it.
New Farm traffic, Golf India India, final 27.
Airfield close ahead, 300 feet below.
Makes me laugh the way she says below. Below.
Airfield close ahead, 200 feet below. Airfield close ahead, 200 feet
There's
below.
one on the Isle of Wight I was looking at, a little airfield. There's a possible diversion airfield, and it's 400 metres.
Yeah. The horses aren't liking
It
us.
says no microlights, stall pilots only.
Huh.
Bit of wind shear off the trees there. We're getting a bit of drop.
Top farm traffic, Golf Bravo Delta Alpha Kilo joining downwind, runway 24, top farm.
Those trees are a fucking bitch.
Airfield close ahead, 100 feet below. Airfield close ahead, same level.
You are just a fucking wannabe stall pilot, aren't you?
I'd like to think that was down in 400 metres.
That was fucking way less than 4. That was about 150 fucking metres.
New Farm traffic, Golf India India, backtracking.
It was certainly less than half the runway.
Entered runway 27.
That's cool. I told you that.
It did say on the thing where the parking was, but I can't remember.